Woo! And welcome to another video. This one is in Khao San Road. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Khao San Road is known as the famous party street, and you're gonna see why. Down here we've got cool tuk-tuks. You're gonna see crocodile meat, girls, bars, a lot of music. In fact, it's so funny because all the bars play the music at the same time, so you literally can't hear anything other than just a big mash. But right now, I'm literally at the road behind Khao San Road, and you can already see there's a lot of food. But as we get deeper and deeper into it, it's gonna get louder, a lot louder. I just hope I don't get a copyright claim, and I won't do much talking because it's going to be so loud. And yes, I haven't had a drink yet. Maybe I should. Whoa. Been pulled in already. Woo! So again, as I said, this is the quiet road behind Khao San Road. There's a little alleyway we're going to go through, and there is the craziness. Right now, it's 11 o'clock at night. There's so many massage parlors around here. Now, I'm literally going through the alleyway right now. I won't be able to say much again. You can smoke weed here, you can buy marijuana, there's tattoo shops, you can eat alligator meat. You can drink yourself silly till 7 in the morning if you want. It's pretty cool. So you can shoot BB guns. They also have this in Phuket. And 200 baht's not much money at all. Around $4. But this is gonna be a tour of what to expect when you come to Khao San Road, baby. Subscribe! We are here! And this is the crocodile meat. Wow. What have you found here? What is it? What is it? What is this? Spring rolls. Oh, I've got a friend. Yeah, lady boy.
Subscribe.
How do you say it in French? So funny because when I started the video over there, that's where I met you, and you're in the beginning. That's why I was like, I've seen you before. So now we're around the back side of the road. We've just been around it. It's just so loud. Because it's so loud, it's hard to talk. This is the more family-oriented side. It's just behind. Khao San Road might be quite overwhelming for most people, like on their first time. You feel it, are you? You're feeling a bit overwhelmed?
Yeah, of course.
You've got no friends as well. It's kind of hard because you just walk around and have to make friends.
You can hear anything. It's crazy.
But it is a really cool place. You can pretty much do so much stuff here. Like pretty much anything goes. Anything really goes. There's a lot of lady boys here as well. You've seen about 4.
Yeah.
You can normally spot that. Oh, you know the spot.
Oh yeah. I didn't realize that. It's good.
Our plan is to go around to the other side of Khao San Road again.
The rooftop.
But on a rooftop. There is 3 McDonald's here. Like this. There's a really cool passport thing. Have you seen this? Check this out. You can get a passport made. Passport holder. Make it for you by hand. There you go. Sorry, she'll make it for you by hand. Could be a lady boy. Seen that before? I basically bought one and I've like never used it. It's been in my bag the whole time.
But your passport, it's more safe.
For your passport, yeah. But you have to put your passport in it and it doesn't really work. So you end up just getting rid of it.
Oh shit.
It is your favourite part about Khao San Road?
My favorite part?
Favorite part. Favorite part. The food is good, isn't it? The street food is really good. Very cheap.
We like it.
You like pad thai?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We like it.
Oh.
And actually, I have time in Khao San Road.
Yeah.
Was in the morning.
Yeah.
So I eat a pad thai like without song or anything, without party.
Yeah.
Like the night, and I was like, no, it's not the same place.
It's not.
Impossible.
It's not, is it? It's not the same place.
Like, oh my god, what is that?
Promise that's a true story. This is the road behind. Way more relaxed. You can actually talk here. You can smoke weed and talk and actually hear what people are saying. Our plan is we're going to go around and we're going to go to the Roscoe rooftop. Check that out because it's got a really high viewpoint so we see the top. We're going to hope it's good anyway. That's the plan. We could try it, hey. Oh, hungry. Seafood's quite safe here compared to in the Philippines, so I can't stop eating it. Cheeky. There it is. So this is the top of Khao San Road. Yeah. Get a better view of the top. Oh, that's a video. Almost there. Wow, look at that. There's the bridge. I don't even know what your name is.
Melanie.
Melanie, I'm right.
Ryan?
Right.
Ryan.
The videos. Got a friend right here. Making friends with him. All right, we're gonna go down one more time and just have a last little look at the other bits and pieces and see what we see. Are you ready?
Yeah, always.
You ready? This is the biggest club here. It's called the Club. Whoa! Tall. Bumblebee's a legend. Look at him. So tall. See you, buddy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like my stuff, follow me on Instagram. Travel with Rye. Love ya. Bye.